Hello again. Have you seen those websites that have that little chatbot widget on them? You can ask questions and get some fairly decent answers from those chatbots without having to call yourself, be on hold, or find somebody on the other side of the phone to answer your questions. Do you want one of those chatbot widgets on your website? Well, we have what is called an AI virtual assistant. And this virtual assistant will be trained with the proper questions from your business and services, and they will deliver personalized engagement with your customers right there on your website before they even talk or meet with you or your service people. It'll also capture pertinent information from your leads, such as their name, address, phone number, and they also have a capability of getting on your schedule for these services. Wouldn't that save you a bunch of time? It's almost like having an AI virtual assistant that basically is almost free. If you are interested in getting one of those chatbots added to your website, contact me. I'll be glad to get one on there for you and help you teach that chatbot what questions to answer and how it's going to serve you in the future. Take care. Talk to you later.